A lot of people think you need 50, 60, maybe even $100,000 to enjoy RV life. That's what most dealerships want you to believe. And honestly, if you spend enough time watching RV videos, you'd think anything under 10 grand belongs in a junkyard. But here's the crazy part. There are people all over the country quietly buying older RVs for less than the price of a used golf cart. Not restoring them, not pouring $20,000 into repairs, just buying them, cleaning them up a little, and hitting the road. And some of these rigs are nicer than you'd expect. One of them on today's list cost barely more than 2 months of rent in some cities. Another one has enough room inside that you could comfortably spend months traveling without feeling cramped. So I went digging through listings, and I found 5 used RVs under $10,000 that are actually worth a look. And by the time we get to number 1, I think you'll understand why some folks are starting to ask themselves a question they never thought they'd ask. Why am I paying so much to stay in one place? Number 5, 2011 Jayco J-Flight Swift 264BH. We're starting at the bottom of our list, but don't let that fool you. This one still has a place here for a reason. This is a 2011 Jayco J-Flight Swift, model 264BH, sitting on a lot in Kansas City, Kansas. And the asking price is $6,144. Just sit with that for a second. $6,000. Not a down payment, not a monthly bill, the whole thing. I've seen people spend more than that remodeling a bathroom. Walk inside and you've got a real living area, a kitchen that can actually cook a meal, and a bedroom in the back with a queen bed. There's even a set of bunks tucked away, so if the grandkids ever want to come along, you've got room for them. All told, this thing sleeps up to 6 people. Now here's the honest part. This one shows its age more than the others on our list today. The outside has some dirt and a bit of oxidation, the kind of thing a good wash and maybe some wax would clean right up. Nothing structural that I could see, just cosmetic wear you'd expect from a rig this age. So why is it number 5? Because at this price, it's still one of the best deals you'll find anywhere. But it needs a little love before it's truly comfortable, and that bumps it down the list a notch. But if you think that's impressive, the next one solves a problem a lot of retirees worry about. Number 4. 2011 Coachmen Catalina 19RD. This next one caught my attention for a completely different reason. It's light, really light. We're looking at a 2011 Coachmen Catalina Model 19RD, sold through a Camping World dealership in Greenfield, Indiana, for $9,750. That price already includes the freight, prep, and documentation fees, so there's less guessing about what you'll actually owe at the counter. Here's the part that got me. This trailer's gross weight is only 4,000 pounds. That's lighter than plenty of trailers half its size. If you've been worried that you'd need some monster truck to pull your new home away from home, this is the kind of unit where almost any decent SUV could probably handle the job. Inside, it's simple. One open room with a front queen bed, a booth dinette for your morning coffee, and a bathroom with a shower. There's even an outside shower, which is a nice touch if you like to rinse off before stepping inside. I honestly wasn't expecting much from a unit this light, but it held up well in the photos. No soft spots, no obvious damage. Now the trade-off here is the siding. It's aluminum, not fiberglass, so it dents a little easier if you're not careful backing into a campsite. But for the weight, the price, and the simplicity, this Catalina is one of the easiest trailers on this whole list to actually live with. That's where things started getting interesting. Number 3. 2021 Keystone Springdale Mini 1800BH. Now this next one surprised me the moment I saw the model year. This is a 2021 Keystone Springdale Mini, model 1800BH, sitting in Peru, Indiana, asking $9,900. And get this, the seller is actually willing to negotiate. Honestly, I had to double-check the year. Most of what you find under $10,000 is going to be 10, 15, even 20 years old. Finding something just a few years old at this price is honestly a little rare. It's a smaller trailer, 21 feet, single axle, so it's light and easy to tow. The trade-off is a little less stability in strong crosswinds compared to a double axle setup, something worth keeping in mind if you do a lot of open highway driving. Inside, you've got a front queen bed, bunks in the back for guests, and a dinette that can convert into extra sleeping space. There's a corner bathroom with a shower, which is a smart use of space for a trailer this size. What really stood out to me was how fresh everything looked. Newer flooring, brighter finishes, nothing that felt dated or worn out. It just feels like somebody barely used it before putting it up for sale. Before we get to the top two, if you're enjoying this video, I'd appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. And if you enjoy affordable RVs and smarter ways to travel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I've got plenty more videos like this coming. Alright, let's keep going. Number 2, 2017 Forest River Flagstaff Lite 23 LB. I'll be honest with you. I thought the last one was going to be my number 1 pick. Then I started looking through the pictures on this next listing. And that's when I changed my mind. This is a 2017 Forest River Flagstaff Lite, Model 23 LB, located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, priced at $8,441. At 23 feet, this one strikes a really nice balance. Small enough to tow without much fuss, but big enough to feel like an actual home once you're inside. There's a dinette up front, a kitchen along one side, and a front bed area with flip-up storage tucked underneath. Depending on the floor plan, you might even get a Murphy bed option, where a sofa pulls down into a bed at night. In the back, there's a full bathroom with a tub and a set of bunks for extra sleeping space. Here's what really got me. Looking through the photos, everything looked updated. The flooring, the backsplash, little design touches here and there. It honestly felt more like a rig from a couple years ago than one from 2017. Somebody clearly took care of this trailer. I almost put this one at number 1. It tows easy, it looks fresh, and it's priced fair. But there was one thing that held it back. A small stain in the tub that showed up in the photos. Probably nothing, maybe just from storage. But it's the kind of thing you'd want to ask the seller about directly before signing anything. So close to the top. But then I found something even better. Number 1. 2007 Coachmen, Wyoming 332 RLTS. And here's where things get really interesting. This is a 2007 Coachmen, Wyoming, Model 332 RLTS, sitting on a lot in Clinton, Oklahoma, priced at $9,999. That's about as close to our $10,000 ceiling as you can get. But stick with me, because once you see what's inside, you'll understand why this one earned the top spot. This is a fifth wheel, which means you'll need a truck setup with a fifth wheel hitch, not just any pickup off the lot. That's worth knowing up front. But once you're parked, the space inside is something else entirely. You step in, and there's a full living room with real recliners, not those thin little RV seats you see in a lot of trailers, but actual comfortable furniture you could fall asleep in watching the evening news. There's a corner entertainment center with a desk built right in, which is perfect if you like writing letters, paying bills, or keeping up with the grandkids online. Now here's what really surprised me. The kitchen has a full-size residential refrigerator. Not a tiny RV fridge that barely holds a gallon of milk. An actual refrigerator, the kind you'd have in a house, plus a real oven and enough counter space to cook an actual meal instead of just heating something up. Head toward the back and there's a separate bedroom with a queen bed, a dresser, a mirrored closet, and a curved walk-in shower in the bathroom. This isn't just a place to sleep for the night. It genuinely feels like a small home you could live in. And honestly, that's what won me over. Because when you retire, you're not buying square footage. You're buying comfort. You're buying peace and quiet. You're buying a place that feels good to come home to. And then there's the detail that pushed this one over the top for me. It comes with 2 air conditioners and built-in leveling jacks. Now that might not sound exciting, but if you've ever spent 20 minutes cranking stabilizers by hand after a long drive, you know exactly why that matters. When you're retired and just want to park, relax, and enjoy the evening, those leveling jacks are worth their weight in gold. I'll be honest with you, the size does come with a trade-off. This isn't something you hook up to a sedan and roll out of the driveway. You need a serious truck, and you'll want to get comfortable backing a fifth wheel into tight spots. It might take a little practice, but if you're thinking about full-time RV living, or just want the most room to spread out and actually feel at home, this Wyoming gives you more livable space than anything else on today's list, and it does it for under $10,000. That's why it's number 1. So let's bring it all together. If you want the cheapest possible entry point and don't mind a little cleanup, that Jayco J-Flight Swift at $6,144 is hard to beat. If you want something light that almost any vehicle can tow, the Coachmen Catalina fits the bill. If having the newest, most modern interior matters most to you, go with the Keystone Springdale Mini. If you want something that feels move-in ready with updated finishes, that Forest River Flagstaff is a strong choice. And if space, comfort, and full-time livability are what you're after, that Coachmen Wyoming fifth wheel is the clear winner. You know, I think that's what surprises people most. RV life doesn't always have to cost a fortune. Sometimes the best memories come from older rigs that somebody else overlooked. And maybe that's the real lesson here. You don't need a six-figure RV to enjoy the open road. Sometimes you just need the right one. You know, somewhere out there right now, somebody is walking through a dealership thinking they need to spend $80,000 or $90,000 to enjoy RV life. And maybe that's true for some folks. But after looking at these listings, I think there's another way. Sometimes the smartest purchase isn't the newest one. It's the one that gives you exactly what you need and leaves a little money in your pocket to actually enjoy retirement. I'm Roadside Randy, helping everyday Americans make smarter decisions about RVs, trucks, and life on the road. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, travel safe, spend wisely, and I'll see you down the road.